Hi everyone, we're Group 31. My name is Eliana, and our group members are Benjamin, Giselle, and Amanda, and our topic is insourcing and trends. So we'll be discussing what insourcing is and the difference between insourcing and outsourcing. We'll be summarizing the article we chose. We'll be going over insourcing trends, and then we'll be discussing how this topic connects to what we've been learning in class. And finally, we'll be summarizing everything we discussed in this presentation and give you guys a couple of discussion questions. Okay, so what is insourcing? So insourcing brings business operations, tasks, and procedures in-house instead of relying on an external provider. And it utilizes existing employees and infrastructure to perform tasks that might have been outsourced. And it keeps the entire process internal, meaning no third parties are involved. So the difference between insourcing and outsourcing are that for short-term, outsourcing is cheaper because businesses don't have to invest in hiring or training. But long-term, insourcing is more cost-effective. And as for control and quality, insourcing does allow businesses to have more control, so this ensures higher quality. And then for security, insourcing does provide greater data security, as outsourcing does increase risk of data breach, since businesses are giving sensitive information away to these third parties.
So what is IBM-Z? IBM-Z is a family of modern infrastructure that runs enterprise operating systems and IBM-Z system software. According to their website, it is a platform that uses AI and delivers breakthrough technology with the highest security, performance, and availability. So what they plan to do was insource all information technology operations and enable new IBM data centers. And to do that, they were going to implement an IT modernization strategy. Their 2-year process was going to be building a new IBM-Z team, procure new IBM infrastructure with 4 new data centers, exiting 12 data centers, processing 3.4 million MIPS, simplify the architecture, and modernize the platform, infrastructure, and application. The results of this 2-year plan was saving over $12 million by exiting the third-party managed infrastructure services data centers. More than 380 applications removed, 45 migration waves with 0 rollbacks to prior third-party managed service providers, 24 PB of data was migrated, and decades of network detangled along with evaluation during the migrations leading to an elimination of 250 plus logical partitions.
For insourcing trends are important for a company that wants to gain control over their operations, protect sensitive data, and enhance customer experience. The IBM CIO handles IBM's internal IT strategies and is responsible for going through a modernization plan tailored to the priority of insourcing all operations within IBM-Z. The insourcing trends IBM benefited from the in-house migration were gaining back control of intellectual property, improving efficiency, better team collaboration, and fostering innovation. By an effective IT modernization strategy, I, IBM was able to complete its in-house migration within a short period of time, mainly due to focusing on application, infrastructure, and incorporate activities to improve the company's existing structure.
So what is the relevance of insourcing to our class in information systems? So if we see in the article, IBM talked about how they transitioned 12 external data centers that offered cloud computing into in-house technicians. Therefore, they changed from a cloud-based offering to an in-house operation. This allowed for optimization of IT operations with the ability to control all infrastructure, applications, and users who are able to access data. Furthermore, they have increased security around sensitive information since they're able to manage where all data is stored, who could access that data. And furthermore, it doesn't need to be transferred to the internet before data could be stored. And lastly, they switched from a cloud service, which was either infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service, to an in-house operation.
For the discussion, Overall, IBM was able to use insourcing to create the new IBM Z team and leave third-party infrastructure service data centers, allowing IBM as a company to improve despite the work and challenges brought by the in-house migration. Some questions for the class. How much does a company value intellectual property to make the change to insource their operations? And will many companies take high risks to benefit from insourcing trends? And that's the end of our presentation.